Ready, start. We have before us the post-mortem report of the deceased Sadhana, which confirms that the deceased had died at about 23:30 hours on 13/12/2001 due to asphyxia as a result of ante-mortem injuries found on the dead body of the deceased. Full stop. Dr. A.S. Rathore, who had conducted the post-mortem of the dead body of the deceased and prepared and proved her post-mortem report X KA5 during the trial, deposed that the anti-mortem injury number 2 found on the deceased dead body fully corroborates the manner of assault on the deceased Sadhana as described in the FIR. Full stop. Before we embark upon to examine on merits of the rival contentions raised by the learned counsel for the parties before us, we find it appropriate to evaluate the evidence on record regarding the actual occurrence and it being witnessed by the so-called eyewitnesses. Full stop. Although PW1 in her examination in chief has fully corroborated the version of the incident as narrated by her in the written complaint XKA1 and proved the same, but she on page 9 and 10 of the paper book in her cross-examination deposed that the father of Pawan Kumar was also living with him and her daughter in his house, and when on the date of incident accused appellant had come to his house in a drunken state and started abusing his daughter, and her daughter had retaliated. The accused appellant had created an ugly scene in his house on which her daughter had complained to her father-in-law that she was being beaten up by her husband. Full stop. Para. She further deposed that no one from the locality was present in the house at the time of occurrence, and the accused appellant had severely beaten his father, also causing multiple injuries to him, but his father had kept quiet and had not made any noise, and after beating his father, the accused appellant had left the house and gone somewhere, and it was then that she and father of the accused appellant had gone to the police station, where she was informed that the police would soon reach the place of occurrence. However, when she returned from the police station to the house of her daughter Sadhana after a lapse of considerable time, she saw her daughter lying dead in the veranda of her house. Full stop. In the meantime, the police had also arrived. Full stop. Thus, from the facts deposed by PW1 in her cross-examination, it is proved that although on the date of the occurrence an altercation had taken place between the accused appellant, his wife Sadhana, and his father, and he had beaten both his wife and his father in a drunken state of thereafter, he had left his house and gone somewhere. Full stop. It also follows from her evidence that when she and father of the accused appellant had gone to the police station, leaving the deceased Sadhana in the house, she was alive, and after they had returned from the police station after the lapse of considerable time, they had found the dead body of the deceased Sadhana lying in the veranda of the house of accused appellant. Full stop.